Friends, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna save you so much strife and headache. This is such a weird setup, and I'm gonna show you how you can fix this really quickly with a simple plugin. So you're seeing my site here, and if you have your navigation set up this way, logo top left, button top right, and the menu over to the right, which is ideal. I think 90% of sites should look like this. One thing you're gonna get is with your menus, everything is gonna be justified in a weird way. In this case, everything is justified to the right when it really should be justified to the left. So there's a link down below. It's gonna take you to a plugin. That plugin costs a few bucks, but it's gonna fix this issue forever. So you see this, it doesn't really look that good. It doesn't really work well. It's a little bit confusing too with the white background as well, because like it gets a little bit lost. Thankfully I have a line, but it shows like the actual box and where it's showing up. So we add in this code. Let me show you what it looks like. Boom. And now we just added in the code and you can see here how it aligns. It looks so good. Okay, so another feature you can use, part of this is a free plugin, which I'll link down below, but the other part is customizations that we made. So again, that'll be part of the plugin if you get the plugin. So when you hover over any of these, you see how it lights up like gray behind it. It's a really nice touch. It's very modern. I absolutely love it. That is I love the feel. I love that feel. You could use that, but what's more important, what I want to show you is once you get everything left justified, you can also have this feature where it shows some type of interaction that makes it more real. So if I hover over growth guide, it highlights that word and then makes everything else gray. So useful as you are navigating this. So people can see everything. Okay, looks good. Let me go to new arrivals. Yes, I'm going to click on new arrivals. Boom, good to go. So make sure you check out that plugin down below. Again, it's a few bucks, but it's going to make your site beautiful. Anytime I see one of these sites with a right justified menu and the menus are big and you can't really see it because it's a white background, this is a quick and easy fix for you to do in less than 10 minutes and make your site way more user-friendly. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.